I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it.
That's like.
So I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Right.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Come on, come on.
All right, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming. Hey, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to your son. You're gonna do this to your son. Hey. What the fuck? Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. All right, stop. Let me go. You want to do something, son? Get the fuck out of here. Stop. Stop the mother.
Control 20 units, 34850, 34 shots fired, 34 quick road. There's help.
They got Bodycam. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. Get shot.
Oh, dude.
I called
Bro, you're shot.
Bodycam.
You stand me up. You're shot. I gotta help you. Come on. Stop. I gotta help you. Okay. Just let me stand up. No. I'll roll over and help him stand up. You back up.
Come on, buddy. What are you doing? You okay? Can you stay over here for me?
Let me stand up.
Can you sit here, okay?
Stop. Get down. I'm going to handcuff you. They were going to send you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
340 patrol. Do we have an ambulance responding?
Don't want to hurt you, bud.
Are you okay?
100%, dude. Never played you with anything.
Alright, so on, man. Stop, Corey. No, stop, dude.
I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. You gotta see what the hell's going on.
Look at that tire. I put 5,000 miles on it like that. Feel it. That's fucking.
Oh, I can see it, man.
So I got your mom coming up. Take your son so you don't.
No, that's not happening. If you're gonna come here and tell me that, you guys can all.
You have to stay away over protection with him, dude.
Alright.
I don't want to get in a fight with you, especially with your son in your hands. All right.
It's not gonna happen.
Your mom's coming.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
We're not coming. We're not coming.
Alright.
Okay, dude, stop. You're gonna do this to your son.
Miles, dude. Miles, stop, dude. I got him. Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
All right, stop. Let me go.
What? You son. Corey, stop. Dude, stop, Miles.
Can you just let me stand up? I'm not.
Control 28 units, 34850, 34 shots fired, 34 quick road. There's help.
They got body cam. I'm gonna be nice. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing nothing.
Right in front of your son. I can't do it.
My son.
I know, dude. I called
Boy,
the
boy, can you stand me up?
You're shot. I gotta help you.
I know. Come on. Stop. Stop.
Wow, go over, dude. I gotta help you.
Okay, just let me stand up.
Nope.
I'll roll over. Help me stand up. You back
You can't
up.
hit me in the head with a freaking seat pipe, dude.
Buddy,
Natalie, about to turn over.
Wow,
what
roll
are you
over.
doing?
Hey, I gotta help you.
You
Go
okay?
over. Roll over, dude. Stop. Lay
Stay
down.
over your phone.
Dude, let me stand up.
Lay down.
Is he okay?
Lay down, dude. Lay down.
Dude,
Stop.
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 Come on, you know better.
Stop. 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 I'm gonna handcuff you. They're gonna find you. Call an ambulance.
I think they did.
Okay.
So, can you go upstairs and just want to-
Okay, roll over. Stay still. Okay. Stay still. Don't want to hurt you, bud.
No, you okay?
100%, dude. You never played with anything.
Alright, stand it up, man. It's not right.
No, sorry. Trying to be challenged. You gotta see what the hell.
Just let me stand up.